I'm Lee from Freedom Bathrooms. We're doing a renovation here for an NDIS client. This is the strip out. We've completed that and we've started the installation ready for grab bars and for the plumbing roughing. Over here, the vanity's coming in here. We've got a toilet over here. In this area, the new shower is going to be. We have to put timbers in all around here to accommodate the grab rails. Over here we had a swing door which we've changed into a cavity slider just to allow better access. And we've had to move this wardrobe from here to here to give an extra meter to allow access into the room. Next step is for the plumber to finish his roughing. The electrical roughing's already been done. And then we'll sheet the walls and be ready for waterproofing and yeah, ready for the tiling processes. That's about it.